Good morning, everyone. My name's Professor Angus Hawkins, and I'm here to talk to you this morning about a man called, what I have called the Forgotten Prime Minister. Perhaps I should start by telling you about a parlour game perhaps I've been playing with acquaintances over the last few years, who, when I've met them, have asked me, Angus, what are you working on now? And I say, I'm writing a biography. They then say, oh, interesting, who is your biography of? And it's at this point I ask them some questions. I say, well, I'm writing a biography of the first British statesman to become Prime Minister 3 times. There's a pause, and they try and guess who it is that I'm talking about, and they will suggest Gladstone or Disraeli or Salisbury, to all of which I say no, 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 no. And then I say, okay, I'll make it easier for you. He is the longest serving party leader in modern British politics, led the Conservative Party for 22 years. And again, various suggestions, but almost invariably not the correct answer. And then I say, okay, I'll make it very, very easy for you. I'm writing a biography of the man who abolished slavery in the British Empire. And at that point, people usually begin to look slightly embarrassed and are still unsuccessful. Over a period of about 3 or 4 years, when I was having these conversations, the number of people who could give me the correct answer, who could tell me who I was writing about, you could number on the fingers of one hand. As a result, the biography that I wrote, I entitled The Forgotten Prime Minister, because the 14th Earl of Derby, who indeed was the first British statesman to become Prime Minister 3 times, led the Conservative Party for 22 years, from 1846 to 1868, and in 1833, as Colonial Secretary, abolished slavery in the British Empire, has been largely forgotten, has been, as it were, airbrushed out of our history of modern British politics and British conservatism. So this was very interesting to me as a historical problem. The historical question, why has Lord Derby been written out of our history of modern British politics and our history of British conservatism? Why has he been airbrushed away? Why has he been forgotten?